Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Forest on mobile devices. While the game isn't natively available for phones or tablets, there are legitimate methods to enjoy this survival horror experience on the go. We'll explore options like cloud gaming platforms, which stream the game directly to your device, and remote play, allowing you to access your own PC from anywhere. Let's dive into the details. Cloud gaming is a fantastic solution for playing PC titles like The Forest on your mobile device. These services host the game on powerful servers and stream the video output to your phone or tablet. You'll need a strong, stable internet connection, preferably 5 megabits per second or higher, for a smooth experience. Services such as GeForce now allow you to play games you already own, bringing the full PC experience to your fingertips. Another excellent method is remote play, which lets you stream The Forest directly from your own gaming computer to your mobile device. This requires your PC to be powered on, running the game, and connected to the internet. Applications such as Steam Link or Parsec create a secure connection, allowing you to control the game remotely. A robust home network with good upload speed is crucial for a seamless, low-latency gaming session. To maximize your mobile gaming experience with The Forest, consider a few key setup tips. First, a Bluetooth controller is highly recommended for precise control, as touchscreens can be challenging for complex games. Keep your mobile device charged or plugged in, as streaming can consume significant battery. Adjust your game's graphical settings on your PC to prioritize performance over visual fidelity for smoother streaming. Finally, always use a fast, reliable Wi-Fi connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.